Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best stand mixer reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Cuisinart 5 Quart Stand Mixer. If you want a top-performing stand mixer at a more affordable price, take a look at this one. This model is a bit more affordable than the KitchenAid and still comes in a wide array of colors. It has a tilt-back design and sturdy build as well as a powerful 500-watt motor. Accessories include a whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddles, and splash guard with a pouring spout, all of which are covered under a 3-year warranty. Some reviewers noted that some of the attachments didn't quite reach the bottom of the bowl, so you will want to make sure that all of your ingredients are getting mixed. Users on Amazon heap praise on the mixer, saying they love this excellent, durable mixer, especially considering its reasonable price. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hamilton Beach Classic Stand Mixer. If you want a versatile mixer without a huge financial outlay, this price beckons. Even more budget-friendly, this mixer functions on the stand and in hand, making it a great choice for small spaces and tight budgets. It can't handle super heavy-duty baking projects, but it does come with dough hooks, a whisk, and flat beaters, so you can make a variety of baked goods. Some customers noticed that they had to scrape the bowl a bit more frequently than with other mixers, but overall found the beaters mixed with ease. Plus, all of the attachments are dishwasher safe, which makes for easy cleanup. Reviewers love this wallet-friendly mixer for beginner pastry chefs, but say advanced bakers may want something with more power. Number 3. Our third best pick is KitchenAid Classic Series Stand Mixer. This is a legendary name in the stand mixer game, and it's built to last with 59 touch points around the mixer bowl for thorough results. You can mix up to 8 dozen cookies in one batch. The tilt head design is a bonus for adding ingredients on the fly, and 10 speeds allow you to take on a range of recipes and tasks. This model comes with a coated flat beater, a coated dough hook, and a 6-wire whip. More than 10 attachments are available separately, so you can make fresh pasta, veggie noodles, ice cream, and more with this KitchenAid. More than 90% of Amazon reviewers give this mixer 5 out of 5 stars, saying it's the perfect size and delivers great results. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric stand mixer. If you care more about the quality of your cookies than fancy brand names, and you don't mind making a few batches, this one is right up your alley. Most of us don't need the fanciest mixer on the market, but rather something that is slightly more powerful and enduring than our own arms. For around $105, this mixer will provide you with the assistance you need. It is on the smaller side, with only a 3.5 quart bowl, but is large enough to make a cake, loaf of bread, or batch of cookies. It has non-slip feet to keep it from moving while mixing, and comes with the 3 typical attachments, a paddle, dough hook, and whisk. The main complaint users make is that the bowl doesn't have a handle, which may or may not be a deal breaker for you. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is KitchenAid Artisan Mini Plus Stand Mixer. If you want a powerhouse stand mixer in a small package, step right up. This one is built like a pro-level stand mix, with 67 touch points around the bowl for supremely smooth results, durability, and sturdy metal construction. The 3.5 quart bowl is made to mix up to 5 dozen cookies in one batch and is dishwasher safe. The 10 speeds make for fantastic flexibility and power across multiple types of recipes and ingredients. Plus, there are more than 10 attachments from KitchenAid's suite of attachments to choose from, including a pasta maker and ice cream maker. More than 87% of reviewers give this stand mixer 5 out of 5 stars for its perfect performance. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.